मीन्स क्या? ये सुपरफिशियल क्वेश्चन है, वेयर डू यू वांट टू सी 5 years डाउन द लाइन। यार कल की गारंटी नहीं है जिंदा रहेंगे कि नहीं, आप 5 साल बाद का पूछ रहे हो। दीज आर सुपरफिशियल क्वेश्चन। इफ यू आस्क हिम, अगर आपको इंटरव्यू लेके आपको रिक्रूट करवा रहा है, मालूम पड़ेगा अगले 5 days में वो जॉब छोड़ के चला जाएगा। Who is it to ask you where you want to see yourself 5 years down the line? But these are superficial questions to which superficial answers are to be given. What if the opposite company, the company across the road offers you double salary? Will you go? The answer is तेरे मुंह पे resignation मार के चला जाऊंगा. But you should not say that. You should not give such answers. You should say that, sir, I'm a newcomer, just beginning my career with esteemed company like yours. So I have really not given a thought as to when to change jobs and all that. I'm too naive for all these things. I'm too new for all these things. So currently my focus is on learning. So if I'm learning new things, if I'm happy adding value to my own profile, if I'm happy adding value to the company, why should I leave? I have not really thought about it. Okay. ये एक आंसर होता है. Another question that they may ask is, how many years you will work with us? दिल में आपके आवाज आएगी, जिस दिन कहीं अच्छी जॉब मिली तेरे मुंह पे रेजिग्नेशन फेंक के चला जाऊंगा. बट बोलने का नहीं. What you should say, sir, till the time we meet each other's requirement, which I mean, till the time which fulfill each other's professional requirements, we will work together. The moment we feel that there's a gap between your expectation and my understanding, we will sit across the table and discuss. आपने इनडायरेक्टली यही बोला कि अगर नया जॉब मिला तो मुंह पे फेंक के जाऊंगा. इनडायरेक्टली आपने ये बोल दिया. Till the time we meet each other's professional requirements, we will definitely work together. The day we feel that there's a gap between our requirements or our understandings, we will sit across the table and discuss. That means जिस दिन तू मुझे कम पगार देगा, कम इंक्रीमेंट देगा, मेरा प्रमोशन खा जाएगा, उस दिन मैं तेरे मुंह पे पेपर मार के चला जाऊंगा. ये आप प्रोफेशनल वे में बोल रहे हो. Till the time we meet each other's requirements, professional requirements, we will work together. The day we feel that there is a gap in understanding, we will sit across the table and we will discuss. दोनों का मीनिंग वही होता है. डीपली सोच के देखो, दोनों का मतलब वही होता है कि मुंह पे फेंक के जाऊंगा. Are you getting it? So इस तरह से आंसर्स करना. ये सब कॉमन क्वेश्चन होते हैं. उसके बाद एक पूरा बाउंसर आएगा आपको, फर्स्ट क्लास, जसप्रीत बुमराह वाला. क्या आएगा मालूम है? What are your strengths and weaknesses? Ha ha ha. Divya will say, my strengths are I keep on asking questions and troubling the professors. And that becomes my weakness if the professor is angry. Yes, Divya? Yeah. Okay. So they'll ask you about your strengths and weaknesses. So if somebody asks me about my strengths and weaknesses, what I should not say, what I should not say, sir, I'm sincere, I'm honest, I I manage my time very well. Whatever job you give me, तो मैं time पे कर दूंगा. I'm a good team player. Okay. I will not do anything unethical. I will not do anything. Okay, यार. I mean, आप कौन हो? भगवान राम? Are you from the heavens directly? Suppose, assume that guy is Sarvottam Regi is the most corrupt man on this earth. Is he going to tell that my weakness is I'm corrupt? जिस दिन मुझे लिया ना, उस दिन से पैसे खाने चालू करूंगा मैं, देख लेना. Nobody will say that. Vijay Mallya never walked into State Bank of India and said that मुझे 13,000 करोड़ लो, मैं कल के कल भाग जाऊंगा. What do you think? If he would have done that, nobody would have given him that loan. So don't say that I'm honest, I'm sincere. You are expected to be honest, यार. बड़ी बात क्या है उसमें? Okay? अगर आपका क्रिकेट टीम के लिए सिलेक्शन हो रहा है, इंडियन टीम में सिलेक्ट हो गए हो, विराट कोहली का नहीं, मैं बैटिंग बहुत अच्छा करता हूँ. अबे उसके लिए तो तू टीम में है, तो बड़ा बात क्या कर रहा है, मैं बैटिंग अच्छा करता हूँ. यू हैव टू बैट वेल यार. you have to be honest, you have to be sincere, you have to follow time management. So hey, it goes without saying. Then sir, what we should say? एक लाइन में सामने वाले को चुप करने का. So I'm thorough professional when it comes to my approach towards my work. I'm a thorough professional with respect to my approach towards my work. HR वाला फिर से jump मारेगा. No, but then how do you define professionalism? So professionalism, I mean, whatever is associated with professionalism, like honest, sincere, time management, team player, self-motivated, self-starter. I'm all that, but then I don't want to get into that. But I just want to convey it. I'm professional. I follow timelines. Whatever you check with my professors in my college, when it comes to attendance, when it comes to project submissions, when it comes to any other assignment submission, I was always before time. नहीं हो तो भी बोलने का. So झूठ, yes, झूठ. Because the question is superficial. Can we talk to your professors to check how professional you were during college? Yes, sir. मेरा नंबर दे दो, फोन आने दो, मैं बात कर लूँ. क्या ये सबको कुछ मतलब नहीं होता. They are just trying to see how well you are batting on that particular wicket. बाउंसर आया तो नीचे होने का या तो हुक मारने का, अगर अच्छा बॉलिंग स्विंग हो रहा है तो डिफेंस करने का. ये आपको आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? Only they are checking on that. Sorry, they are just checking on that, nothing else. Nothing else. To say that I'm thorough professional with respect to my. Okay, Mr. Yash, you spoke about professionalism and you spoke about learning new things and not going for higher salary. If we offer you a nominal salary of 1,000 rupees per month and if we give you a lot of job satisfaction, will you work for us? अबे पागल समझा है, शक्ल से लगता हूँ नहीं, इसे बोलने का मन में अंदर है, बाहर नहीं आनी चाहिए आवाज. So how to answer that? If we give you less salary or no salary and give you 2 bags full of job satisfaction every day, will you work for me? Answer is get lost. And something else also, which I can't say over here in recorded lectures. So you should not say that. Man mein, andar. On face of it, what you should say? Sir, I don't mind doing that because I'm here for learning. I'm just a beginner. I have very little experience. So whatever I'm learning, I don't mind doing it for you, of course. But unfortunately, sir, I have family to take care. My parents are old. I have to take care of their medicines. I have to pay for EMI of house. I have to take care of my younger brother's education. So for all these things, you need money. Otherwise, I would have definitely worked with you for free. Means indirectly, आपने उसको बजा दी झापड़. See, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. They are just willing to see how your approach is. आपका अप्रोच कैसा है, सही है या गलत है, उनको वो सही दिखना चाहिए. इफ यू से ना मैं तो बिना पगार के यहाँ काम कर लूंगा, जितना चाहिए उतना मुझे रगड़ लो, आई डोंट वांट एनी सैलरी, वो समझ जाएगा कि सेइंग इट फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट. हु वांट्स टू वर्क फॉर जीरो मनी? टेल मी. मैं आपको देता हूँ जबरदस्त जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन, जीरो सैलरी, विल यू वर्क? नो वे, नो वे. बट डायरेक्टली यू कैनॉट से पागल है क्या, पगार तो चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते. व्हाट इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू, मनी और जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन? Sir, both are equally important. One without the other has got no meaning. Job satisfaction we need because end of the day, I should be able to sleep peacefully for 8 hours without having any tension on my head. So job satisfaction is required. But money is equally important because I have to pay my EMIs and I have to pay for medicines and my kids' school fees and all that using that money. So both are equally important. One without the other has got no meaning. Straightforward answer. Straightforward answer. What are your weaknesses? What are your weaknesses? ये एक सवाल और आएगा आपको. क्या लगता है? Yeah, anyone? Any question or any answers on weaknesses? Anyone would like to disclose their weaknesses over here? Please Never ever disclose your real weaknesses to anyone other than your spouse or your parents. Spouse means लड़कों के लिए wife और लड़कियों के लिए husband या फिर your very close family members. Do not disclose your real weaknesses. You can say that, sir, I do not have any notable difference which can affect my work. So HR वाला फिर से jump करेगा. Oh, that means you do not have weaknesses. That means, are you a perfect man? Mr. AK, there is no perfect man in this world. भगवान राम सिर्फ perfect है, बाकी कोई perfect नहीं है ये दुनिया में. I said, you should say, hang on. What I say is, I do not have any professional weakness which can affect my work. Yeah, I'm a bit temperamental when it comes to commitment. Can you explain? That means if my commitment to my boss fails because of somebody else's inability to do the work. For example, I need some data from Vaidehi. Vaidehi is in factory. I'm in the head office. I've asked for some data because I have got my commitment to my director. And because of Vaidehi's inability to submit that data to me, my commitment to my director got delayed. Then it irritates me a lot that I failed on my commitment because of somebody else's mistake. यहाँ पे effectively you are telling them about your strength in different way. So I'm a bit temperamental when it comes to commitment. Commit किया है, एक बार मैंने जबान दे दी, फिर मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता. तो मैंने कमिट कर दिया, ये आपको 4 बजे मिलेगा, तो ये 4 बजे मिलना चाहिए. अगर वो नहीं होता है 4 बजे, then मैं इरिटेट हो जाता हूँ. Yeah, yes, Rucha. Mention it in a way it will act as our strength. Yes, Bhavya, right. Never say I am temperamental. मेरी तो हटी जाती है, कुछ बुरा देखता हूँ मुझे रोना आता है. Please, 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 please. Never ever cry at your workplace. I have cried. मैं वो instances भी बताऊंगा आपको अगले कुछ sessions में. I have cried, but not in front of public. Go to the washroom, lock yourself, and cry a lot. No problem. No problem at all. But never show your real weaknesses to anyone in the office. People might exploit it. So you should say, I do not have any professional notable. Yeah, I'm a bit temperamental when it comes to commitment and timeliness of the deliverables. अगर कहीं वहां पे डिले विले हो जाता है तो I tend to get irritated. Other than that, I have no any other professional weakness which can affect my work. Okay. Any other question that can be asked where you can see yourself, what is more important for you? Now, coming to that question, what Neeraj asked, how to explain. This question was asked in Asian Paints to BAF students this year. That you are a BAF student, accounting and finance background. Why you want to come in supply chain? Supply chain is basically purchase. वो जब एशियन पेंट आएगा तब मैं समझाऊंगा आपको कि सप्लाई चेन एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है. इट्स परचेज. सो बीइंग एन अकाउंटेंट, व्हाई यू वांट टू कम इन परचेज? सो योर आंसर शुड बी, बीइंग एन अकाउंटेंट, yes, supply chain is my cross functional area. I have studied supply chain little bit in my academics. कभी तो किया रहेगा 3 साल में, किधर ना किधर छोटा मोटा शॉर्ट नोट आया रहेगा आपको. So I have studied it. So I want, as a cross-functional department, I wanted to know accounting and finance I have learned during my graduation, but I want to see the other side of the story. And when I work in purchase department or supply chain department, it's about money. So effectively, it is related to accounting and finance only, because when purchase guy is going to make payment or raise a request for payment, he is going to contact the accountant only. So as an accountant, as an accounts graduate, working in supply chain, I will be able to understand the accounting aspect also and supply chain aspect also. So it gives me a double benefit in one qualification, that I've done my graduation in accounting and finance, but along with accounting and finance, I will understand supply chain also. So I will be able to add better value to both the functions, because I understand supply chain role also, as well as I'll understand the BAF role, I mean the accounting and finance role also. If you have been selected in Motilal Oswal, the BAF student can say that, or a BMF student can say that, or a BCom or any other stream ka student can say that. See, Motilal Oswal, they are mainly into shares and mutual funds and investments and research and risk analysis type of thing. I have done my BMS in finance, wherein we had subject of risk analysis. But when I start earning, rather when I'll earn my salary, I need to know where to invest. So this is another area which academically I haven't learned in the college, but this area always gave me or I found this area always interesting, wherein I would like to do go ahead with my career. I would like to make my career in this particular field, because eventually when you earn money, when people earn money, they are going to invest it, they are going to manage money. So even though I am from BMS is Bachelor of Management Studies, I am going to learn managing money over here. So still it is management only, not managing the business, but managing the money matters for myself, for my clients, for my company. Accounting and finance can say, or banking and insurance guy can say that when I did my BPI, we were asked to write a research report on various companies. So when we were studying the research reports written on various companies, we realized that this research analysis is one of it's a never dying field. It's interesting field. It's analytical field. It always challenges your analytical ability. So as a student of banking and insurance, I felt that this particular research report writing or understanding research will help me in understanding the bank's profile in much better way. Like I have done analysis of ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, State Bank, Bank of India, Dena Bank. As a BBI student, when I analyze these particular companies, or I analyze HDFC Life or SBI Life or ICICI Prudential insurance companies, when I analyze these companies, I developed interest for analysis and risk management. So that is how I'm here in Motilal Oswal. This is how I'm here in Motilal Oswal. Generally, BSc IT and BMM students will have their areas cut out. Like BMM will go in mass media, or suppose, for example, a guy from BMM, if he is going into journalism, somebody from BMM. There was one girl in last year's BFM. She was very good with her financial market fundamentals, but she had tremendous command over English. So I suggested to her that look out for a profession of financial journalism. जैसे वो CNBC या business channel पे जो analyst आते हैं, they are journalists actually, okay? They are news readers actually, but they understand financial market also. So somebody from BFM, he or she goes into some media related company, they will be asked, you're not from BMM, you're from BFM. What are you doing over here in media company? Sir, I've got good command over English. Financial journalism always attracted me. My financial fundamentals are clear. So I want to make profession in my financial journalism. Same is the case with BMM students. Somebody who has done BMM journal, he may say that, okay, I want to understand financial markets and I want to get into financial journalism. I would like to write columns. I have got great command over English being a part of BMM. I would like to write columns for Economic Times or Business Standard. For that, I need to understand finance. That is why I'm here in Motilal Oswal. Are you getting it? So everything can be connected. Now, last time some 80 odd students got selected in Bank of America. When I took the session with respect to interview skills, they all were worried that none of them were from fraud detection and the job was in fraud detection. So I managed to link each and everything to fraud detection. Like as a BAF student, we know how to read balance sheet and P&L accounts. We know how to read accounts. When we read accounts, we are in a better position to read between the lines and understand if any fraudulent activity is happening, because we understand accounts much better than anyone else. जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो सुनो, जो नहीं बोलता हूँ वो डेफिनेटली सुनो. Read between the lines. A BFM student can say that we want to come in Bank of America for fraud detection, because we have analyzed so many companies during our equity research, technical analysis, financial derivatives. We know financial market is the area where maximum frauds have taken place in the past, right from Harshad Mehta till whatever abhi tak jo chala hai wo. So being a graduate in financial market, we understand fraud detection in much better way, because we have been studying these frauds right from our inception, that is Harshad Mehta. BBI student can say the same thing. We have analyzed so many banking and insurance reports, annual reports. It was very interesting on my part to understand how a bank functions, and yours is Bank of America. So I want to understand banking operations. Even BFM student can say that we have analyzed lot of banks reports. We want to be part of Bank of America because we know how banks perform, how they function, how they grow. So working in fraud detection, I'll be in a better position to point out any irregularity if at all it is happening. See, सब कुछ connect होता है. Even a BMM student can say that I would like to be part of fraud detection, but not by way of detection, but once the fraud is detected, how to report that fraud in the media. I can be of any help to you all. Are you getting it? Not everything is to be reported in media. Media में क्या डालना है क्या नहीं संभल के डालना पड़ता है, थोड़ा दिमाग लगा के डालना पड़ता है. I'll be useful over there. A BSc IT guy will say, I can write a program for you wherein I will have a concept of maker and checker. एक चेक करेगा, एक मेक करेगा तो एक चेक करेगा, एक ट्रांजेक्शन एक ने पोस्ट किया, इंटरनल चेक एंड इंटरनल कंट्रोल. सो आई कैन फाइंड आउट irregularities if any in your ERP systems. See, everybody can work. Same is the case with BCom. Now, BCom, we have done BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. So we have learned everything what these other SFC guys have learned, but in different way. So our proficiency is in accountancy. So जब हम accounts में जाते हैं, we can read financial statements, and when we can read financial statements, we are in a better position to understand the fraudulent activity. Yeah, everybody can be connected to fraud. Everybody. So this is the way you should be able. Neeraj, this was the answer to your question. Okay. Now, the last part of the day. Last 5-10 minutes and then it will be over. Oh, what? Just give me a moment. I'll have a sip of water. Just a moment. See, I'll show you. I'm getting a call on the phone which says that Truecaller is saying fraud. Fraud करके call आ रहा है. I don't know. Somebody has saved that number as fraud. IT professional can say, sir, we can help you out in tracing this particular call using our IT techniques. You are helping me in detecting the fraud. You are related to fraud detection. Now, last thing about hobbies. एक story में बोलता हूँ. जब मैं coordinator बना था, it was 26th of January. नहीं, 15th August. Sorry, 15th August, a holiday. And one of my friend had called me for one event. So I had taken some of the BFM students on that particular day. 5-6 लोगों को लेके वो event में मैं गया था. So there this fellow told one story. Okay. This fellow, I don't know whether I have told this to anyone. अगर repeat है तो सुन लो. Majority of the people have not heard about this, so I'm telling this to you all. It's not my original story. It was told to me by someone. तो वो बंदे को, this person was a group CEO of Reuters, and Reuters is one of the leading international news agency. BMM guys would know that, Reuters. तो वहां पे he said that I wanted to recruit one vice president under me. So he interviewed many candidates and he selected one candidate. It was a girl, so she had done her MBA from IIM Ahmedabad. Okay, so absolute topper, brilliant, genius, fluent in English, terrific person. She cleared all her rounds, and her final round was with this friend of mine who was the CEO of group CEO of Reuters. So सब हो चुका था. Before the final offer letter was signed, there's a protocol that when any high level employment is done, recruitment is done, that person is expected to have a cup of coffee with the topmost boss just to understand. Like even my friend was from IIM, so he said, okay, maybe IIM, तुम भी IIM, okay, ये रेगे सर हैं क्या, वो फलाने मैडम हैं क्या, वो कौन से बैच में, ओके यू आर फ्रॉम 93 बैच, आई एम फ्रॉम 95 बैच, वगैरह वगैरह डिस्कशन, एक जनरल डिस्कशन होता है, दे टॉक जनरली अबाउट इंडस्ट्री एंड ऑल, एंड देन द ऑफर लेटर इज साइंड. So this vice president candidate, a lady, a girl rather, aged 27, 28 maybe, very young, into late 20s, 30 के अंदर थी. She entered his cabin, and they had a coffee together, and वो सीवी देख रहा था, एंड एंड में उसने देखा कि वो लड़की ने लिखा था हॉबीज में कुछ विशारद इन भरतनाट्यम. Visharad in Bharatnatyam. In other words, dancing. So this CEO friend of mine, he just looked at her like this and said, would you dance for me now? She was taken aback. She said, excuse me, sir. He said, you're Visharad in Bharatnatyam. Would you dance for me now? Giving her a typical look. She got wild and she screamed, what do you think you are? I am Ahmedabad, I'm topper. This is harassment. I'll complain to the police. You will be behind the bar. To hell with your job. I'll get thousands of jobs. Papers सब उठा के bang करके चली गई. I asked my friend, yeah, why did you do that? The friend is elder to me. I mean, ये एज में तू एक 27-28 साल की लड़की को ऐसा क्यों बोला? I'm sure you don't mean that. He said, definitely I don't mean that. But then why the hell did you ask this question to her? He said, I was trying to check her emotional balance, emotional intelligence. I said, but why? What for? She's from I am Ahmedabad. What more you want? He said, last month, I lost 8-10 of my fellow reporters in Syria, in bomb blast. Syria में एक bomb blast हो गया. वहाँ पे मेरे 10 reporter colleagues मर गए उसमें. They died. And I was given the task to announce this news to their family members. So I came here to Mumbai and I told their family members that your husband, your brother, your son, your daughter died in that bomb blast in Syria. And those people started screaming, they started abusing me. किसी ने मेरे ऊपर चप्पल फेंक दिया, बोला तूने मेरे बच्चे का खून किया है, ये वो. People were giving galis to me. And I had to maintain my decorum and peace of mind. जो लड़की, मैंने सिर्फ उसको बोला, would you dance for me just now? ये इतना सा छोटा चीज वो सहन नहीं कर सकती. She can't bear that. How is she going to bear or manage such difficult situation wherein she's required to handle a case wherein she has to announce a death of her colleague to his or her family members? She was brilliant, but she lacked emotional intelligence. So I said, what answer she could have given? He said she could have said, okay, start the music, I will dance. इतना दिमाग उसके पास होना चाहिए था. I was the group CEO of Reuters, 50 years of age. I was reporting to my office in London. Am I a fool to tell that 28-year-old lady to dance in my office? इतना दिमाग नहीं चलाया उसने. She could have said, start the music, I will dance. From where I was going to start the music. There's no music in my cabin. Or she would have said, let the annual day be there, I will dance in front of an entire company. She could have said anything else. Are you getting it? But then the way she reacted, she's not fit for this job. She might be brilliant, I don't care, but she's not fit for this job. So Divya, what I was trying to tell you, these hobbies should not put you in such kind of trouble. These hobbies should not put you in such kind of troubles. कभी आप लिख दोगे भरतनाट्यम विशारद है और वो कुछ आपको सवाल पूछने लगेगा कि ओके तो भरतनाट्यम विशारद, तो मुझे उसका वो आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट दैट फील्ड, बट इफ ही और शी स्टार्ट्स आस्किंग यू क्वेश्चन अबाउट भरतनाट्यम तो बाकी सब साइड में रह जाएगा. Are you getting it? So be careful when you, if you're sure about your hobby, please write it. बट कभी कभी इस तरह से बैकफायर भी होता है. एक्सपेक्ट सम यॉर्कर्स और फुल टॉस और बाउंसर्स अगेन फ्रॉम बुमराह. I was once asked, Mr. Rege, okay, if I throw you out of this window, what you will do? I said, this was for senior level interview, so आपके level पे वो नहीं आएगा, but example दे रहा हूँ. I replied, yes sir, I will fly, I have wings. Oh, what sort of an idiotic answer is that? I said, the way you asked me question. He said, Mr. Rege, what I meant is if you're put into difficult situation, how you will handle. I said, yes, I still maintain. I have got wings. I will fly. That means I have solution for every problem. I know how to tackle every problem. I will solve it. So if your tough situation is throwing out of the window, I have wings. I'll fly. If you give me some difficult assignments, I have the expertise and knowledge to solve the problem. So see, you have to take bull by the horn like this, but in professional manner. Never ever use bad words during interview. We are so used to lip movements. HR वाले lip read करते हैं. मैं भी करता था किसी जमाने में. Lip sync करते हैं वो लोग. Lip read कर सकते हैं. कभी कभी some difficult question is asked and you will say, it goes against you. Remember, during interview, the HR guy will keep on staring at you like this. He will not ask you any question. ऐसे बैठा रहेगा और देखता रहेगा. Especially girls, you will get conscious. मेला भक्त है वो कसा ऐसे हो जाएगा. Keep him outside the frame. Now see, if Bhavya, I'm talking to you, suppose now you are taking my interview, and Yash is that HR guy who is continuously staring at me. But see, I have kept him outside my vision now. मैंने ऐसे एक imaginary हाथ पकड़ लिया बीच में. Now I'm talking Bhavya to you only one to one. He is there. I know he's staring at me, but मैं उसको ऐसे नजर नहीं दे रहा हूँ. But if he asks me some question, I will look at him. Yeah, Mr. Yash. So I have done my graduation in BCom Financial Markets. Then again, I'll come back to you. Yeah, Ms. Bhavya. So this is the way it is. Like you can invest in Larsen & Toubro or ITC. We will continue with our discussions. Keep him outside your frame. Now look at Vaidehi. Vaidehi is completely out of my frame. I know she is sitting over there and looking at me, but I am not looking at her. क्या हो जाता है? आप suddenly conscious हो जाते हो, especially girls. See, as a lady, as a girl, you should be able to draw a line between harassment and otherwise. You girls have that sixth sense or seventh sense or whatever it may be. अगर कोई ऐसे कर रहा है, if somebody is misbehaving, you have to hit back. But at the same time, just try and analyze as to why that person is asking a lady to dance. There has to be some reason. Don't react. But then, if you continue to see that he's crossing the line, react. No problem. Job gaya tel laga. Are you getting it? So you have to be smart enough to understand. Your facial expressions should be as normal as possible. Do not react. Do not react immediately. ऐसे मत करो. वो लोग बराबर कैप्चर करते हैं. और lip movement, तो be very careful. Do not use any abusive language in the office. If you find your friend, you go to Asian Pen, you will see your senior. Hey, इधर क्या कर रहे हैं? Hi, कैसा है? चल like selfie लेते. No, your friend outside the office, not in the office. If the opposite person is reggae, you know that he is Maharashtrian, and Yash Kotkar is also Maharashtrian. So if I ask you in Marathi, yes, काय म्हणतोस? कुठे असतो? कुठच्या गावचा रे तू? Yash starts answering, नाही आम्ही ना इकडचे नाशिकचे, आम्ही गोव्याचे, आम्ही. No way, no way. Even if the opposite person asks you question in local language, answer back in professional English only. Answer back in professional English only. बाहर निकलने के बाद यश तू भी मराठी मैं भी मराठी चल मराठी में बात करते. But when we are in the conference room and I am interviewing you, if I ask you question in English or Hindi or Marathi or Gujarati or any other local language, please answer in professional English only. Okay, that's it from my end. If you have any questions, please feel free. Our next session I'll let you know very soon, and that will be on something more interesting. Now you are selected, how to accept the offer, what happens on the first day of office. That we will discuss in next session. Okay, तो हमने लॉजिकली स्टार्ट किया. पहले आपका सीवी बना, इंटरव्यू हुआ, अब आपको जॉब मिलेगी, आपका जॉब का फर्स्ट डे होगा, आपका जॉब स्टार्ट होगा, उससे करके आपको रिटायरमेंट तक लेके आएंगे. That is the idea of these entire sessions. So please don't miss any session because otherwise you will miss out on continuity. Himani, you asked the answer. This isn't the adequate space to do it. Yeah, it could have been. There isn't adequate space to do it. See, my point is the answer was not important. I was pretty sure that the person of group CEO who is 50 years of age sitting in Reuters office reporting to London will not ask a girl of his half age to dance in front of him in his cabin. Unless there is some hidden agenda behind it just to assess her emotional intelligence. उतना वो IIM अहमदाबाद वाली को समझ में आना चाहिए था. That's what my point is. Okay, so as I said, we will have logical continuity to this. CV ho gaya, you got the job, your first day, then how to survive, increments, promotions, backbiting, politics, ethics, सब करके हम लोग आपके रिटायरमेंट तक जाएंगे in next 6-7 sessions. या नीरज? Yeah, Neeraj, any question?
Sir, for the all the general questions that the interviewers will ask you, he, yes, sir, I'm audible.
Yes,
Hello,
yes, go ahead. Yes,
hello.
yes, you're audible, Neeraj.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I'm speaking. Yeah, sir. So talking about
अरे
the
बोल.
general questions, like where do you see? Sir, I'm speaking only. Hello, hello. I'm speaking only. Sir. So I was
अरे we
telling
can
कि
hear you,
when
my
the
friend.
interviewer asked, yes, sir, I'm speaking. So, when the general questions will be asked by the interviews, and let's suppose we bunch of people are going to the interviews, and आपने जो ये questions दिए, question के specific answers दिए हैं, तो वही सब answers अगर वही interview में जाके देंगे, तो they would be think ना कि ऐसा कुछ, because some answers are very
Obviously, you have to
specific that
change your
you
answers a
मतलब
little bit, na. अरे, okay,
yes
okay,
sir.
okay. I understood, Neeraj. I'll answer your question. Tell me something about yourself of Neeraj Mohite and Divya Jain. Can it be same? Can it be same?
No, no sir.
एक minute, Divya, just park that question. So tell me something about yourself will be different for all 120, 130 students in the class. Now the number has gone down, 130 से 117 आ गया. कुछ लोग बोर होके भाग गए लगता है. It's okay, no problem. I will still bore you further in next 6-7 sessions. Where do you see yourself 5 years down the line? You need to use different language. Different language means in English only, but you have to reframe those answers. Everybody starts saying that I'm professional, so it will go against all of you. So hey, but you have to change it a little bit. थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश प्ले करके थोड़ा सा लैंग्वेज का टोन थोड़ा सा वोकैब थोड़ा सा यूज करना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को. Okay, some of you might say that yeah, I'm professional in approach when it comes to time management, deliverables. कोई ये बोल सकता है कि I've always submitted all my assignments in time. I've displayed great professional skills when I was in college. ऐसे थोड़ा twist and tweak आपको करना पड़ेगा. No, I cannot provide you 130 answers ना यार for one question. So एक मैंने आपको एक point दिया ना, वो point लेके आपको आपके answers ready करने पड़ेंगे. Yeah. So Divya, but sir, if someone said you do such things and intention was bad, see, if you are so sure that the opposite person's intentions are bad, straight away raise the alarm. Me too कर देने का, कान के नीचे बजा देने का, सीधा. Don't get scared. I mean, that's not the point of discussion for this session, of course, but you should not tolerate any nonsense. We will talk about it. ये जब भी how to survive in corporate आता है ना, तभी ये टॉपिक आएगा उसमें. That time I will share some of the experiences that I've gone through in such cases when people behave inappropriately with a lady colleague of yours. So how to handle that? इसके ऊपर भी मैं आपको कुछ मेरे रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस बताऊंगा. थोड़ा आपको मैच्योर होके वो सुनना पड़ेगा. दो यू ऑल आर किड्स बट देन यू ऑल आर अबव 18, तो थोड़ा मैच्योरिटी से सुनना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो वो अगले कुछ सेशन में हम लोग कवर करेंगे. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग दिस? Being a lady, you must know the difference between compliment and harassment. Okay, वो आपको थोड़ा समझना पड़ेगा. तो उसके ऊपर कुछ एग्जांपल्स मैं दूंगा मेरे जो मैंने देखे हैं, मैंने हैंडल किए हैं. आई हैव हैंडल्ड सम केसेस लाइक दिस व्हिच केम फॉरवर्ड, सम हरासमेंट केसेस. सो दोस केसेस आल्सो आई विल डिस्कस विद यू. थोड़ा सा डिप्लोमेटिकली डिस्कस करूंगा, नॉट इन एब्सोल्यूट डिटेल्स. एब्सोल्यूट डिटेल में करना ठीक नहीं होगा. So, but you will get the message that I'm
Sir,
sharing. That much I will assure. हाँ.
sir, don't you think that the interviewer is keeping himself or herself at risk when they ask such questions? Because then the interview is giving the interview, can file a case against it, like overreact, without understanding the uh, thing, and the person might also suffer, the interviewer who is going to take the interview.
No, 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 no. You're talking about it. Would you dance for me, wala thing? Yeah. Are you talking
Yes, sir,
about
with
that, Neeraj?
regards to that.
No, 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 no. See,
So along this,
if I ask a lady, if I ask a lady, would you dance for me? And if she is angry and she's going back and she's filing a complaint, me with the kind of reputation I have got, it will not take me a minute to prove it to police or to law that the question was not intended at harassing her. The question was intended at testing her emotional intelligence. See, I've got all the background reports to prove that I lost my colleagues in Syria's bomb blast. So then that press conference, I had to tell this to their family members, and they threw chappal at me and they abused me. वो सब record पे है ना. So independently मैं ऐसे किसी को बोला ये नाच के बता ऐसे बोले कि तो पुलिस लेके ही जाएगी मुझे. Yes, then that person will file case against me. That's okay. But then you have to understand the background. थोड़ा सा आपको ये आपको अभी नहीं होगा. This situation you will not come across now as a youngster. It will happen once you become experienced professional. Okay. Yeah. Any
yes,
other
sir. Thank you.
question? Yeah. Anyone else? Anyone else? We will have another 4-5 minutes. I would like to specially mention that you explain this corporate things very effectively. I do not know you personally, but as a recognized also from my college. Oh, thank you, Madhura. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This is just the beginning, Madhura. I've got a lot of things to tell you all. I've been telling some motivational stories to my BFM and BAP students where I'm teaching predominantly. But I'll be discussing some of my real life experiences, and whatever I have discussed today is purely based on. See, I have taken 100 on interviews and I have given 60 on interviews. So this is what I gathered from my own experience. I have not referred to any book, nor I'm a HR professional. I'm not technically qualified to deliver a lecture on interviews, but then this is based on the interviews that I have taken, the interviews that I have given. So that's the reason. I'm just sharing my life experience with you. If you can learn from this, well and good. I mean, you will learn definitely. So next lecture, we will have a first day at office, how to handle situation, how to handle your colleagues, what you should do, what you should not do. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो डिस्कस करेंगे. मधुरा, you're from which stream? May I ask you? And I'll be also specifically discussing about the harassment matters, which is specifically for female students, girl students. And again, as I said, पूरा ज़्यादा detail में openly discuss नहीं कर सकेंगे. I know you all are mature enough to understand things. So थोड़ा सा diplomatically, I'll try to cover it up, and I'm sure you will get the message what I'm trying to say. I'll be discussing some real life cases also, which I have handled. Okay. So any other question, please let me know. Okay. Madhura Toraskar. Okay. और कोई एक तोरस्कर करके लड़की थी बैफ में, अभी मुझे नाम नहीं आ रहा है उसका. Anyways. Okay. Any other question? Any other question? Okay. So start preparing on your answers for these questions, all of you. And then one day I'll take a mock interview session with you all. Not with all 130 of you, but whoever wishes to come forward. Okay, जो भी कोई आगे आके डिस्कस करना चाहता है कर सकता है. But you must be ready. No, we are not you. We already had one session. चलो, if nobody is there, then or whoever wants to come, चलो, including you हो गया. तो अगर कोई आगे आके डिस्कस करना चाहेगा, हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. Okay. So thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Stay safe. Take care. Get yourself vaccinated, and let's pray that the college starts very soon. Okay. Please list all your questions. क्या था? मैंने मिस कर दिया. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening. Sorry for spoiling your evening actually. क्या लिखा है? But currently. Okay. And we can have something on anger management also. Yeah, Siddhi? Okay. Chalo, bye-bye. Take care. Stay safe. May God bless you all. And get yourself vaccinated. Don't forget that. Thank you.